Lesson: Linear Algebra in AI Systems. Linear algebra is foundational to the field of artificial intelligence, serving as a critical component in the development and implementation of AI systems. Its importance lies in the ability to efficiently handle large-scale computations and data manipulations, which are essential for machine learning algorithms and neural networks. Professionals seeking to excel in AI implementation must possess a solid understanding of linear algebra, as it provides the tools necessary to solve complex problems and optimize AI systems. At its core, linear algebra deals with vectors, matrices, and linear transformations, which are integral to the representation and processing of data in AI. For instance, vectors are used to represent data points, while matrices are employed to manipulate and transform this data. In practical terms, these concepts enable the representation of large datasets as matrices, allowing for efficient computation using matrix operations. This is particularly relevant in machine learning, where datasets often consist of thousands or even millions of data points. One of the primary applications of linear algebra in AI is in the field of machine learning, where it underpins various algorithms, including linear regression, principal component analysis, and support vector machines. Linear regression, for example, utilizes matrix multiplication to model the relationship between input variables and output predictions. This involves solving systems of linear equations, a task that can be efficiently performed using linear algebraic techniques. The normal equation, a key component in linear regression, is derived from the principles of linear algebra, enabling the determination of the best fit line for a given dataset. Principal component analysis, another crucial technique, relies on eigenvectors and eigenvalues concepts rooted in linear algebra to reduce the dimensionality of datasets while preserving their variance. By transforming data into a new coordinate system defined by the principal components, PCA facilitates the reduction of computational complexity and the enhancement of model performance. In practical terms, implementing PCA involves the calculation of the covariance matrix, extraction of its eigenvectors, and projection of the data onto these eigenvectors. This process not only aids in data visualization, but also improves the efficiency of subsequent machine learning tasks. Support vector machines, a popular classification method, employ linear algebra to maximize the margin between different classes of data. This is achieved by constructing a hyperplane, a linear decision boundary, which separates the data points of different classes. The optimization problem associated with SVMs involves quadratic programming, a mathematical technique that leverages matrix operations to find the optimal solution. Through the use of kernel functions, SVMs can be extended to handle nonlinear classifications, further demonstrating the versatility of linear algebra in AI applications. Neural networks, the backbone of deep learning, also heavily rely on linear algebra. Each layer of a neural network involves matrix multiplications and vector additions, operations that are efficiently handled through linear algebraic methods. The forward propagation process, essential for predicting outputs from inputs, and the backward propagation algorithm, used for updating model weights, both depend on linear algebra. Specifically, the gradient descent optimization technique, which adjusts the weights to minimize the error, utilizes derivatives of matrix operations to iteratively refine the model. In practical terms, implementing these linear algebraic concepts can be greatly simplified through the use of modern computational tools and frameworks. Libraries such as NumPy and Python provide efficient implementations of linear algebra operations, allowing professionals to perform matrix manipulations and decompositions with ease. NumPy's linear algebra module includes functions for singular value decomposition, eigenvalue problems, and matrix factorizations, all of which are critical for developing and optimizing AI systems. TensorFlow and PyTorch, two leading frameworks in the field of deep learning, further exemplify the application of linear algebra in AI. These frameworks provide high-level abstractions for constructing and training neural networks, leveraging linear algebra to optimize computational efficiency. TensorFlow, for instance, utilizes tensors' generalizations of matrices and vectors to represent data and perform operations across multiple dimensions. This abstraction allows for seamless implementation of complex algorithms, enabling professionals to focus on model design and experimentation. PyTorch, known for its dynamic computational graph and intuitive interface, similarly relies on linear algebra to perform operations on tensors. By enabling automatic differentiation, PyTorch simplifies the process of calculating gradients, a key step in training neural networks. This functionality, combined with its support for GPU acceleration, makes PyTorch a powerful tool for developing and deploying AI models. In addition to these frameworks, understanding the mathematical underpinnings of AI systems allows professionals to identify and address real-world challenges more effectively. For example, issues such as overfitting, where a model performs well on training data but poorly on new data, can be mitigated through techniques like regularization. Regularization methods, such as L1 and L2 regularization, incorporate linear algebraic principles to penalize large coefficients in linear models, thereby promoting generalization and improving model performance. Furthermore, the ability to interpret and manipulate high-dimensional data using linear algebra is crucial for tackling problems related to data sparsity and noise. Techniques such as dimensionality reduction and matrix factorization enable professionals to extract meaningful patterns from complex datasets, enhancing the robustness and interpretability of AI models. Singular value decomposition, for instance, provides a powerful method for decomposing a matrix into its constituent components, facilitating tasks such as data compression and noise reduction. In conclusion, linear algebra is an indispensable tool in the arsenal of AI professionals, providing the mathematical foundation necessary for developing, optimizing, and implementing AI systems. By mastering linear algebraic concepts and leveraging computational tools and frameworks, professionals can address real-world challenges and drive innovation in the field of AI. As the demand for AI solutions continues to grow, a strong grasp of linear algebra will remain essential for those seeking to advance their careers and contribute to the development of cutting-edge technologies.